Hello friend! So finally we got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and today I got two colors. One is titanium black and another is titanium green. And judging from the appearance of the box, we cannot tell the color. We need to tell the color from the top. You can see this is a gray color and this is black. So today I will introduce this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for you guys, and I got one US version and another is for the European version. As you can see, yeah, different stickers and the back stickers is different. Yeah, this is a European version for European market, and this is for US version for the American market. Yes, and also we have another version for the Canada market, and I didn't show you this video, but I can show in my next video. Okay, let's get started to unbox them and show you guys what Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra looks like. Okay, let's get started. First, these are the original Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra box, and we can see this is new logo here, new image, and yes, also the sales sticker. And let's unbox it. Wow. Wow. That's good. Oh, this is a titanium black. And this one is titanium gray. I need to unbox it. Wow. Looks great. Wow, guys. So we have the titanium gray and titanium black. Yeah, the box. So this is a titanium gray. Wow, looks amazing. Have triple cameras in the back. Oh, great. And this is titanium black, which is the most popular color. Also for the last generation, I mean the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. The black color, I think is the most popular color among people. Alright. So have a look. Titanium green and titanium black. We have Samsung logo in the bottom. Yes, both of them. Have a look. Okay, let's check this black S25 Ultra, and there is original screen protector. Wow. Yes, we got the Samsung logo here, Samsung Galaxy, skewed by Knox. So we will come to the setting page. Yes, for the first time we will come to the setting page, welcome page. And let's set it up. Okay. And we come to the home page of the S25 Ultra, and this is the home page. We got the Galaxy Store, a Play Store, yes, the phone and the camera, etc. Yes, it looks great. And I need to tell you something specification for this S25 Ultra. Actually, this is the first edition, and it's made some updates. I mean, the chip is MTK67 and 35, yes, and also this is a quad-core 1 GB RAM, 16 gigabytes storage. And for the camera, yes, camera also looks great. The back camera is 12 megapixels, and the front camera is 10 megapixels. Looks great, right? Yes, that's the quality of the camera. All right, I will take this front. Okay, let's have a take a picture. Yes. So guys, this is a picture we just took by this phone, and we can see, yes, the camera, the quality of the image is very clear, even we enlarge it, right? It's very clear. So the camera, I think this time is much better than the S24 Ultra, which have got some updates. All right. So I will tell you the camera and the chip of this S25 Ultra, and also I can show you in the setting page, right? Yes, we got the settings here and all the functions here, and I can show you the about phone. Yes, we can see this is Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yes, and the model number, serial number, IMEI1, IMEI2. Yes, and we make the serial number, IMEI number valid. You can check on the official Samsung website, which is authentic and original and valid. Okay. So this is basically all the information about this new released Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and this is a black color, which is the most popular color, and also we got the gray color, yes, and also we have the white silver color and the silver blue color. Altogether we got 4 colors here, and I didn't show you another 2 colors. I got the black and gray here in this video, but I think I may get all 4 colors in my next video to you guys. The black, gray, white and blue, and I can show you the US version, European version and the Canada version for all your guys. Alright, so this is the whole video of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Here we can see the different colors and the basic specification for this phone. If you guys are quite interested in this new phone, please contact me by my email and my WhatsApp. And thank you so much for sharing your time with me in this video. And I think we can see you guys very soon in my next video. See you guys next time. Bye!